Hi guys, I'm KD Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Today I want to cook Soto Ayam, which is a chicken soup originated from Indonesia and is also popular at where I live, that is Malaysia. When we talk about Soto Ayam, we have to make a paradigm shift in order to appreciate it, because it is not a cream soup, but it is a clear soup with lots of ingredients and condiments in it. And of course, the base of the soup, it is made with chicken, but it is added with a myriad of herbs and spices: cumin, fennel, turmeric, star anise, cinnamon, and it makes the flavor so unique that there's no any other chicken soup that come close to it. So in this video, I would like to show you how to make Soto Ayam, my version. Let's get started. Let us start off the preparation by making the spice mix. The spices are fennel, cumin, coriander, white peppercorns, cardamoms, and cloves. Blend all these ingredients into fine powder. If you don't have certain fresh spices, you can use the ready-made powder as a substitute. The shallots, garlic, ginger, and the chili. I like to use the fresh turmeric. Use a glove to handle it, because it will stay in your hand. If it is not available, you can use the ground turmeric powder. Blend them into a paste with the help of some cooking oil. Then transfer to a pan, saute the dry spice and the aromatics until it's fragrant. Now we move on to get ready the chicken broth. Marinate the chicken with some salt. Let it rest for about 1 to 2 hours. And then brown the chicken. Place the fried chicken in a stock pot filled with water. And then add the spices: lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, cinnamon, star anise. Bring it to a boil and then simmer for about 50 to 60 minutes. Remove the chicken and set aside. As for the broth, pass through a wire mesh strainer to get a clean broth. Now bring the broth to a boil again. Add the sautéed spice mix. You can also add a few tablespoons of coconut milk for additional flavor. Now it's nearly done, let's prepare other condiments. Shred the chicken thigh into small pieces. Glass noodles are one of the common condiments. Deep fry in hot oil and it will expand immediately. Put some rice, vermicelli or noodles in a bowl. Then topped with the condiments that you like: chili, lime, coriander, scallion, the shredded chicken, bean sprouts. Ladle the broth into the bowl and it is now ready to serve. You can also choose to use other ingredients such as hard-boiled egg, bergedil, glass noodles, nasi impit. That's how I make Soto Ayam my version, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to get a recipe, I have included the recipe in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and give me a like. And I'll see you again in some other videos on this channel soon. Bye for now.